Okay, it is got recording. It is started recording. Now let's see. This is the interface. You are going to see entire interface. Maya
Okay.
mein, in Maya we call it as this is a menu bar. So you have files.
Okay.
In files may you have all the buttons which is required to do new open scenes and all that in the documentation, export, import, and it is going to go with Unreal, Unity. You can export to the game exporters and all that. It is there. Along with that, create and project is there. The first thing is we have to understand this project and project set. So I'll come back and do this job. Again, you have edit may you have cut, undo. Your undo is Control Z and redo is Y. Cut is X and C and paste V is so same thing. But here there is one good option. This always you'll use the edit button is for a delete by text history. We should always keep deleting our model histories. We should not keep our histories for a longer time. And facial duplicate. How people will use facial duplicate, I don't know, but I will use too much of facial duplicate while working with the transformation and mirroring the model. And coming back to the,
Okay.
you have group and ungroups and parent and unparents. These are the four buttons are very good buttons for us to work in the future. Okay. Next, coming to this area where you have all the polygon system, as I told you, there is a two methods in uh, there was the two methods to model here in Maya. That is one is NURBS and one is polygon. And NURBS may always see that there are a lot of NURBS faces are there here. Once you click, you will get NURBS faces are like this. Alt and right button to zoom in and zoom out. Alt middle mouse to rotate your area, and Alt left button to rotate the preview. Now W is your move button up the object. W. E is your rotation button, and R is your scale button. So in channel box may you can able to see your sizes are increasing and sizes are decreasing. So here you can increase your size of 3 and you can keep your decrease your sizes here. Okay. So when we are doing this and trying to taking up and modifying the object, so we can easily modify the object. We can able to do the job what best we can able to do it here. So as you know, when you are doing this and trying to create a models in between is here we can modify in the nubs model. So I'm just modifying the nubs models. So here nubs in the sense you will get it here where in the surface curve surface may you will have this is a model is a nerve surface model, and here we call it as nub polygons, nubs and polygons, and here you have a polygon sphere. Okay, so when the polygon spheres are there, so when the polygon spheres are there, you can take this spheres. This is a polygon sphere where you can edit your models and work with it. Okay, you can reduce, you can decrease from middle mouse, or you can type your polygon and you can increase and decrease your polygon. The base thing is to understand you can bring your polygons modifier. Okay,
Okay.
create modifier button. This is all your polygon strips. This is all your value cubes. This is a nub cubes. So I'll come back and start working and I'll show you how does you should work. Then this is your light, cameras, everything will be here with the setup. You have a selections, you have the gray tools of hierarchy, delete selections and all that. Then you have a modifier to work with the a lot of modifiers in the attribute editor. Again, you have a display, all the animation, rig, polygon, nubs, and all that. You all the displays are here. Then this is a window button. This is very good window. You have outliner. There is one option you should always remember. Outliner is the thing here, and you have modify editors and all that. These are the very good option in while using with the Maya. Then you have a mesh. This is an editor, polygon editor, and this is mesh also is the polygon editor. This is also the polygon editor. So these all polygon and modeling editor tools are there, and this is a cleanup tool. And you have curve tool is here in the lineup, and you have a NURBS tool is here, and you have a deformers. The people will ask a lot of deformers. I'll explain you the deformers. Then try to EV. EV is you have to unwrap and texture things. This is your EV. This is your generator, and this is check. This is Arnold render system. Then this is a help button for you. But meanwhile, when you see the Maya, these all buttons which you have seen here also it is there. Okay, so here also it will be there. So you have to see the main button in the meanwhile. At the same time, polygon and NURBS is here, and here you can able to see your all button. This is selection button where your selection tool. This is your lasso tool. This is your paint tool. This is your move tool. This is your rotation, and this is your scale. Right? This is your timeline editor. This is the down may you have your timeline editor. So you can able to edit the animation frames. You can increase the animation frames, and you can decrease the animation frames over here. So here you have attribute editor where you can able to see this is all editor of the polygon, and these are the play buttons in Maya. And here you have a mail script, and here you have preferences. Can you see this is one small box here? This is the preferences. Now for me, I'll go to the polygon, and you have a one cube. Can you see this cube? Right?
Yes, sir.
Now 10 by 10 I have to make one table. Simple idea is this is a cube. When I clicked it, we got it here. Right? When it is got it, go to the polygon cubes. Here sometimes you will not see that button. You should click it here, then you will get this button. So polycube will be like this. Input may you can able to see. So now what I have to do is I need a minimum height is 0.5. This is a polygon editor. Okay, go to the scale. Polycube may scale 0.5. 0.5 is the width. Then here type 5 and 5. So this is top area, right? So I got the
Okay, sir.
top area. I got top area. I need little lesser the width. I need little lesser. So I'll go to 0.3. I'll type 0.3. Press W and make it here. Keep it here. Base में. Correct? Same copy.
Okay, sir.
Same copy. Alt and rotate. Move. Scale. As simple. Then come back. Press all 4 views. Press 4 to the wireframe. Wireframe mode. So all 4 is wireframe mode. 6 is color mode. Again back. Objective mode. So pace bar is to bring all 4 views, or you can click here all 4 views के लिए, and single view is this. Okay, so as a modeler, what we should do is we should able to move from this area and try to see where my object is going, right? So if I don't know to move, you can make it here 0, and this is my grid area. You can zoom in and zoom out and move this area from the move button. Same one leg, press 4 here at the top in a wireframe में, press 4 and Control D is the duplicate. What is that?
Okay.
Control D.
Control D, sir.
Control D and press R and scale. Scale like this and like this and create your leg. This is a basic class how to work with Maya. Okay. Now try to create, keep it one leg, and as I told you, what you can do, scale it. Scale it. This is too much big in the scale. 1, 2. Scale 2. Scale. Copy this scale, Control D, and keep it here. Keep it here. Example. Copy in that corner में one and this corner में one. Control D, copy and move it here. move it here. Correct? So,
Okay, sir.
I have kept the table. Select the entire table and keep top of the grid is here. Now, what happened? I have given one table at top and one leg in the down. Correct?
Yes, sir.
I need a supporting leg. What will I do? So same leg, Control D. Control D is what? Ganesh, duplicate.
Duplicating.
Duplicate it. Now select that and rotate. In rotation may I'll rotate 90 degree here. In rotation, what I will do is I'll create a 90 degree.
Okay.
Okay, 90-degree rotation. So I got 90-degree rotation. Scale that part. Move it here and move. Bring it here. This is supporting leg. And this is supporting leg. And Control D. And this is also supporting. So you have a two supporting leg. One is here and one is here. At the same time, what I'll do, Control D and rotate. Here also X may I'll create a minus 90 degree. X may minus 90 degree. Press W and rotate. Try to create this table and Control D and move. So as with that, what I have teached you today is simple scale, simple table, how to move, how to rotate, and how to duplicate. Correct? So
Yes, sir.
four options are covered: how to move, how to rotate, and how to duplicate. After this, try to take this. I have told you one tool called FT, freeze transformation. Can you see in modify my freeze transformation?
Yes.
Select everything and hit this button. So it will become everything will become zero. All the values, rotation, scale, all that will become a zero. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
It will become a zero. Now I should make one chair, wooden chair to that. Okay. So I will not take any new object and try to do something great. Today I'll try to explain you how to duplicate and how to use with the same model. Okay. So take
Yes.
this one, Control D, duplicate, and one button called 1 minute.